Hello there. My name is Eric Worre, and I want to congratulate you for joining the GoPro Insider program. Every single day, you're going to get training on mindset, skill set, strategy, leadership, some encouragement, some belief building. But every single day, I will take you on a journey to become a network marketing professional. And for those of you who've chosen the Prime version, your company is going to do some challenge conditions in the next 90 days. And if you fulfill those challenge conditions, then there's going to be a special prize. And that special prize is I'm going to do a free live webinar with your company on how to achieve success and how to deal with challenges in your business. This is exclusive only for those in the Prime membership who, over the next 90 days, meet the challenge conditions of your company, okay? You can learn all about that. They will teach you all about that. I promise you, if you do qualify to be part of that webinar, it's going to be amazing. I'll bring the best I have. And my goal through all of this is to help you learn how to build an empire, help you learn how to become a network marketing professional. So again, congratulations on being inside of the GoPro Insider program, and the best is yet to come. Take care.